Rolling Ray death rumors explained. Is Rolling Ray really dead? Recently, rumors have been circulating online claiming that popular internet personality Rolling Ray has passed away. These claims quickly caught the attention of fans and sparked a wave of concern worldwide. However, it is important to note that no official statement has been released confirming Rolling Ray's death. The reports spreading on social media remain unverified, and reliable sources have not confirmed any details about his health or current status. Fans are advised to stay cautious and avoid spreading unverified information. Believing rumors without confirmation can create unnecessary worry and confusion among the community. We will continue to monitor the situation and provide updates as soon as verified news becomes available. Stay tuned and always rely on trusted sources to know the truth about Rolling Ray. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest verified news about Rolling Ray and other trending stories. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any important updates.